With 3 days for Odisha's 6 parliamentary seats that will go to poll before the voting commences, Naveen Patnaik's health has now become a topic of conversation and a matter of tussle between the BJP and the BJT. After a video of Naveen Patnaik and his aide VK Pandyan went viral, the Prime Minister, while speaking in Mayurganj in Odisha, has claimed that Naveen Patnaik's health had become the cause of concern for the people of Odisha. He questioned if there was a conspiracy within the BJT too. Naveen Patnaik has in turn dismissed this allegation and called it a total non-issue, and he said that he was flawlessly campaigning for the last 2 months in Odisha and is more than fit to continue as the Chief Minister. In this battle between the BJP and the BJD, who has better figured the issues of Odisha is the question.
नवीन बाबू अब खुद से कुछ कर नहीं पा रहे हैं। अरसे तक नवीन बाबू के करीबी रहे लोगों का मानना है कि उनकी तबीयत बिगड़ने के पीछे कोई साजिश भी हो सकती है। सवाल ये कि नवीन बाबू की तबीयत खराब होने के पीछे क्या कोई षड्यंत्र है क्या?
Nibir, give us these details now. Prime Minister Narendra Modi and other BJP leaders attacking Naveen Patnaik and saying that there is a lobby that is working within Naveen Patnaik's cabinet who is seeking to gain the advantages of governing the state of Odisha, even as Naveen Patnaik is sick, is allegedly incapable of running the government.
Indeed, we have just 3 days left for the 6 parliamentary seats of Odisha, which will go for the elections. And before the voting commences, we are seeing that Naveen Patnaik's health has become a hot topic and a matter of tussle between the BJP and the BJD. We have earlier seen how the BJP had attacked VK Pandyan and Naveen Patnaik, saying that Naveen Patnaik is dependent on VK Pandyan, and that's why his own individuality and his own power is at question. But now the Prime Minister, while speaking in a Mayurganj in a rally, has claimed that Patnaik's health has also become a cause of concern for the people of Odisha, and he also questioned if there is a conspiracy going within the BJP to unseat him. So Patnaik has been criticized by the BJP in terms of his independence, and now we are seeing that his health has also become a major talking point between the BJP and the BJD as the election commences in Odisha's last phase of the election.
Right. Nibir, obviously a remark that has now been made by Naveen Patnaik. He's taken to X, he's taken to social media and has said that all these unwarranted stories and narratives being built by the BJP are completely false. And we've also seen that video that is playing out on our screens on the left-hand side, where Naveen Patnaik is holding a public address in Odisha while he's campaigning in the state. And there you see his hand is at this point of time shaking. It has, and he's not able to control his reflexes, after which there is his aide VK Pandyan, who then picks his hand up and puts his back so that people are not able to see this movement.
The Odisha Chief Minister has responded to that viral video you are talking about his hands, and he has stated that the BJP is trying to make this a big issue ahead of the elections, and he has also tweeted about it, stating that the BJP is trying to make a non-issue into an issue by discussing about the hands that we have seen in that viral video where we are purportedly shaking. And he's also stated that this attempt by the BJP will certainly not work as far as Odisha elections is concerned. Back to you.
Okay, let's Nibir, stay on with me. Let's listen into what Prime Minister said in his castigating remark against Naveen Patnaik.
आपण मोठे कौतुक BSKY योजना बोलो की मिशन आपण मोठे कौतुक JKY योजना दोनों की मिशन शक्ति
नवीन बाबू अब खुद से कुछ कर नहीं पा रहे हैं। अरसे तक नवीन बाबू के करीबी रहे लोगों का मानना है कि उनकी तबीयत बिगड़ने के पीछे कोई साजिश भी हो सकती है। सवाल ये कि नवीन बाबू की तबीयत खराब होने के पीछे क्या कोई षड्यंत्र है क्या?
NV Subhash of the BJP, NV Subhash, a big charge made by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. He said that there may be a conspiracy behind the government that is led by Naveen Patnaik in Odisha because of his ill health. After the video that went viral of Naveen Patnaik addressing the people, holding a campaign, and his hands were shaking, and it was VK Pandya and his aide who lifts his hand and then puts it behind the podium.
Yeah, we have just seen the video also, and the Prime Minister has clearly mentioned that there must be some kind of conspiracy, and then we endorse it. And we have a benefit of doubt that some of the very close associates of Naveen Patnaik, who happens to be looking after his health and other issues, including the political issues also, and political just issues and other things also. So they must be waiting, Mr. Naveen Patnaik to, go to the bed and then admit in the hospital so that, they can take charge on that. The same thing happened during the Jayalalitha's regime also, where her close aide, Mr. Shashikala. So she was waiting to, become the chief minister of the state. And then there were so many issues which have come up, and then after that, all political parties are, there was some kind of political issues, and then there is a benefit of doubt. The same thing is here at Odisha also, because Naveen Patnaik's ill health, because he has become a little bit old, and then he cannot really take day-to-day activities.
Okay.
So there is a tussle between the close aides also, that who will be the next successor.
Yeah.
So this is the situation of Odisha. And, with this, we cannot run the state in the future.
Okay, all right. Thank you.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.